Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
We only encourage sensitive heart Krishna. So
Yes.
for us, we only encourage that.
That is the only method in this age. By chanting Hare Krishna, one the reservoir of understanding will be clear, and then he can receive the spiritual knowledge. Without cleansing the heart, it is very difficult to understand and receive spiritual knowledge. All these reformatory measures, brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, simply is cleansing method. And bhakti is also cleansing method, vidhi bhakti. But by engaging oneself in this deity worship, he also becomes clean. Tatpatha, sadopad, as he becomes enlightened or advanced in understanding that he is eternal servant of Krishna, he becomes purified. Sarvopad, he does a sarvopad. He tries to eliminate his upadi, his designation, that I am American, I am Indian, I am this, I am that. So in this way, when he becomes fully eliminated of this bodily concept of life, then nirmala, he becomes nirmala, uncontaminated. And so long this concept of life is going on, that I am this, I am that, he still in the savhakka prakita smita. You sit down properly, not like that. Savhakka prakita smita. Or chayamam hare, even in this process, when they are engaged in deity worship, or chayamam hare, jap pujang sadhyahate, with great devotion, doing. But not of bhakti-su charnesu, but he has no sympathy with others, or he does not know what is the position of a devotee. Then, savhakka prakita smita. He is called material devotee. Material devotee. So we have to elevate ourselves from material devotional state to the second platform, when one can understand what is a devotee, what is a non-devotee, what is God, what is atheist. These discriminations are there. And with Paramahansa state, there is no such discrimination. He sees everyone is engaged in service of this. He does not envy anyone. He does not say anything, anybody. But that is another thing. We should not imitate, try to imitate. But we may know that Paramahansa is the highest stage of perfection. As a preacher, we have to point out, just like I told this boy, he sit down like this. But a Paramahansa will not say. The Paramahansa, he is all right. But we should not imitate Paramahansa. Because we are preacher, we are teacher, we should not imitate Paramahansa. We must tell the right thought, right course.
You must be higher than a Paramahansa to yourself.
I am lower than you. I am lower than you.
You are Paramahansa, but still you are preaching to us.
No, I am lower than you. I am the lowest of all creatures. I am simply trying to execute the order of my system. That should be the business of everyone. Try your best to execute the higher order. That is it. safest way of progress. One may be in the lowest stage, but if he tries to execute the duty entrusted upon each person, he may be in the lowest stage, but because he is trying to execute the duty entrusted to him, then he is person. That is the consideration.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.